This week you will need your red book open to page 11, your trombone cheat sheet over page 10, and of course a pencil and your trombone. We're going to start with our B-flat major scale. So that's obviously the scale that starts on B-flat because it starts on whatever note we call it. So B-flat major scale, but we're going to do kind of a funky rhythm. We're going to use rhythm 1 here, which actually starts with a rest. So we will go rest, B-flat, rest, C, C, rest, D, D. The reason we're doing this is to see if you're actually tapping your foot. If you're tapping your foot for all 4 beats, the first toe tap should be silent from your trombone. Rest, play, play, rest, play, play. So if you're just randomly blowing and not counting, well, it's going to be kind of hard to keep up. So let's try it. This is B-flat major. Remember, there's no low A in B-flat major, and there's no G yet in B-flat major. So just the 5 notes starting on B-flat. Make sure your slide's unlocked. And here we go, using rest, ta, ta. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. Okay, so just to review our C minor scale, we'll do it super easy. Let's just do 1/2 note on each note of the C minor scale. Remember, if it's C minor, it starts on C, ends on C, and it does not have B flat because we're starting after B flat on your cheat sheet. Okay, so C minor, C, D, E flat, F, and G. 1/2 note, and then switch your slide. So that means we're only blowing for 2 beats, then switch your slide. So start in 6th position for your C minor scale. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, you should really be trying to get 5 separate sounds to come out of your trombone. You cannot be lazy about blowing to the trombone. I mean, look how big it is. If you stretched this all out and took the bends out and made it one big straight horn, it would be like 9 feet long. So you can't pretend like you're blowing through a little straw. You need to really blow like you're blowing 9 feet away from you, okay? And that will help the sounds to come out. Let's get this out of the way. And we are going to start with number 38 on page 11. So that means we have to make sure your cheat sheet's over page 10, okay? And we're going to look at the song called Mary Ann. Now, a couple things about number 38. There is a key signature, which they show you at the top of the page, but the key signature is just telling you that there's a flat on the B line and a flat in the E space at the beginning of the song. That's telling you they're not going to put a flat sign by every B. Every B in this song is flat, which is good. We only know B flat. And every E in this song is flat, which is good because we only know E flat. So that works out well. We're not going to worry about the solo and soli things. That is something we would do when all the instruments are together in band, so we'll worry about that later. We do need to check, though, if there are repeat signs, right, for number 38. So take your trusty pointing device, also known as a pencil, and scan your eyes through here. You should first notice that the song is more than 1 line long, right? So we're not going to stop after the first line. I don't see a repeat sign. I just see a song that's 2 lines long. Okay? I do see ties, right? I see notes that are hooked on to another version of itself. Remember, those are not 2 separate notes. That's 1 long note for however long that adds up to. If you need to write the notes in before we say them together, you can do that now. Pause and do that now. But we're going to say the notes together. Okay, this does not use G, this song, but it does use the low A. So almost every note of your cheat sheet. All right, let's say the notes for number 38. 1, 2, say the notes. D, F, B flat, D, D, C, E flat, rest, rest, C, E flat, A, C, C, B, D, rest, next line, D, D, F, F, B flat, D, D, C, B, E flat, rest, rest, C, E flat, A, C, C, B flat, rest, rest, rest. Okay, this time we're going to say the letter name. No, we just said the letter names. We're going to say the slide positions. And you're going to do them with your trombone. There are some weird changes in here. Like, I don't think we've ever gone from E flat to A, which is deceiving because E flat and A do not look like they're next to each other in music, but they're actually next to each other on slides, right? So E flat's in 3 and A's in 2. So you just have to loosen your lips and get your notes down. So let's say the slide positions, and we can do the slide on your trombone. Here we go. Saying the positions and doing them. Number 38. 1, 2, positions, go. 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 6, 3. Rest, rest. 6, 3, 3, 2, 6, 6, 1, 4. Next line. 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, 6, 3. Rest, rest. 6, 3, 3, 2, 6, 6, 1, 1. Now I saw a place where the notes changed that you didn't have to move your slide. So for example, it only happened twice, I think. Look at the second note of the song. It is an F. What's the third note of the song? Oh, it's a B flat. So you don't need to move your slide between F and B flat. You need to move your lips. So we want to look for little places like that so you're not just like panicking. Oh, the note's changing. I have to move my slide. Well, no, not necessarily. On trombone, there's some notes that share fingers, right? Okay, so let's try to play. The track is a little faster than we're going to play right now, but I will leave you the track on YouTube for number 38 and 39 so you can play along. But let's play just us. Here we go. 1, 2, start on D. Rest, rest. Second line. Switch to C. So in this song, not only do you need to move your arm a lot, move your slide a lot, you need to loosen and tighten your lips. So remember, if a note is D or above, I think you need really tight lips, maybe mega tight lips. And a note, if a note is C and lower, you can use just plain old loose lips, okay? You are going to record number 39 for me. So let's do it right now. Check and see if there's a repeat sign in number 39. Why, yes, there is. So that means you have to do the repeat when you record it. It's not like, oh, if you feel like it, play it again. It's, you have to play it again. It's the same as them just like writing the same line again and putting a double bar. They just wanted to save ink and save space on the paper. So that's why they came up with repeat sign. But you have to do the repeat sign. So if you don't play it in your assignment with a repeat sign, I have to give you points off for the rhythm. Okay? Crusaders March does use every note off your cheat sheet. It goes down to low A, it goes up to high G. Of course, you're allowed to write the notes or the slide positions in before you play. Make sure you practice it before you try to record it from me. I don't want to watch you trying to practice. I want to watch you perform it. Okay? So I can't wait to see your videos for number 39 next week.